Sam has the current scores in math. How can we describe how he is doing in math? Pause your video, answer the questions with what you already know, use a picture, or describe it in words. You might notice right away that Sam had 288, so some would say that's the score he gets the most often, so he has an 88. Someone else might notice that he has a range of scores, so they put them in order from least to greatest and take the middle score. In that case, you would say he has a 90. Some of you might say, well, we could add up all of the points that he's gotten so far and see how many points he has. If you add these up, you get 454. But he's taken 5 tests, so we could see, about how much has he gotten on each test by dividing and see what we get. So 5 goes into 45 9 times. Drop your 4. It goes into 4 0 times, your decimal and your 0, bring it down. So you could say 90 and 4/5, or you could keep dividing and say 90.8. If you use this method, you'd say he has about a 91 in the class. If you use the number that appeared the most, you're using what we call the mode. If you're using the number in the middle, you're using a measure we call the median. If you added up all the scores and divided by 5, because there were 5 tests, you're using what we call the mean or the average. Mean, median, and mode, together we call these the 3 measures of central tendency because they help us describe the center of our data. For gradebook purposes, most schools use a mean or an average.